أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون. This is a portion of the parting message of Surah Al Baqarah. Now our Prophet ﷺ told us that whoever recites the last two verses of Surah Al Baqarah at night, those two verses shall be sufficient for him. Now these verses also include Aman al-Rasul all the way to the end, which is more than two verses. And the reason why I share that with you is that there is another long narration where the Prophet ﷺ taught some of his companions that they could also recite from this particular verse till the end of Surah Al Baqarah. Now the question is why? You recite this just before you go to bed. So you're literally lying down, you're about to turn off the lights, and you recite آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون till the end of the surah. These ayat are sufficient for you and I, meaning we believe in Allah, we believe in all of His ayat, we believe in the prophets and the messengers. You say this before you go to bed because you don't know if you will wake up again. And imagine you go to bed every night with this in your heart. This is the last thought you had on your mind. And this is how you want to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by reaffirming your faith to Him. And so with that being said, I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect Iman in our hearts and in our lives. Allahumma ameen.